Alright, Devin up here in the back, and today I got the Apple TV 4K. Yes, 4K, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can catch all y'all in 4K. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's some crazy stuff. I got y'all. I see y'all, man. I need to chill, yo. Somebody catch you in 4K. Alright, so we're gonna unbox this, talk about this. The ultimate cinematic experience. Okay, Apple. I'm always breaking stuff, man. Like, what's wrong with me? I told y'all, it's not a review unless I drop something, man. I don't know. No, I didn't drop the iPad or iMac. Not yet, at least. Alright, so we're gonna box this, talk about this, see what this thing can do, see what it's looking like, and let's get it started. Hey, I got goals today, you got goals today. Now let's get it started. Hey. So Apple TV 4K. Alright, so this model is the 4K HDR 32GB model, and this is how it's looking like. Okay, so this is really nice. Apple TV. So on the back, gets the Apple logo right here. Not really sure what this is about. You got the power. You have the HDMI port, and also yes, you have the Ethernet port. Next, we got the terms and conditions, also with some extra Apple stickers right here. We got an Apple Lightning cord right here. This is actually used for this right here, but we'll discuss this later. Next, you got the power cord that's inside here. And last but not least, here's the main eventer right here. Yes, not only you can actually go in 4K, but it comes with a new Apple remote. As you see, it's a lot smaller, a lot thinner also. This feels more built, more complete, and it comes with a lot of new features. There's more buttons to it. There's just more things you can do with it. So they're trying to make it more cable-like how you can do with the Amazon Fire Stick. The upgrades this remote gets is, of course, the power button, as you guys notice. It has a way bigger and updated IR infrared sensor. It has a TV button, so if you want to switch from your original cable to the Apple TV, it's a lot faster. You have a back button, you have a pause button, you have a mute button, and then a volume button, which is not on here at all. And I know you guys noticed the big difference right here, and that is the dials. So with this one, this is more of a directional dial and more of an enter into the middle. Same with this. You have the dial right here, and you also have the enter button, which is the middle also. But the thing that's added to it is that, let's say you are watching a movie and you see a part you want to go to. With this, you usually would just, pause it and hit back and, try to find that part. With this new dial right here, you can actually pause it and actually dial back or dial forward the progress you want to go to. It has a dedicated Siri button right here too. So if you want to speak to Siri while you're using this remote, you have the option to. Man, they really went crazy on this new remote. Like I said, built different, built much better, thicker. They really put some work into this, I like it. This is nice. I prefer this one now, it feels like an actual remote. This just feels cheap. I know it's not cheap, but it just feels cheap compared to this, and that's a good thing. That's kind of what you want in the marketing business. Like, you want to be like, man, this is nice and all, but this is something serious. And also the best feature, new auto color balance feature. Holy crap, that is nice. So we know how we love our TV, right? This will actually balance out the colors for us to make it native and as best for us. We think we're watching some nice colorful TV. Listen, this will auto color to balance the TV for us. Give us the best look. Apple's like, no, listen, it's okay. We got you. no more, you know, messing with the contrast. No more messing with the brightness. It'll do it for us. It'll process everything for us. For us, by us. Yes, FUBU. All right, y'all. This is Devin up. I'm out. How you guys like this whole? How you guys like the Apple TV? It's really nice, right? Whew. I like that. The auto balancing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to test this out. I can't wait to play with this. I can't wait to hook this up. Listen, I love Spider-Man. Spider-Man's my favorite hero. Batman is my equal. You know what I'm saying? More specifically, I like Batman Beyond, but that's just me. Batman Beyond is freaking cool. Terry McGinnis. Hey, listen, man, I ain't might get a start of all that, but whatever, yo. All right, y'all. This is Devin up. I'm out. How you guys like the Apple TV? I hope you guys need to get it. If you guys have the original already, you know, keep it. Cool. Yes, keep it. But definitely upgrade your remote, man. Stop hanging around with that little tiny. Stop. What is this? Stop this. Stop. This is a crime. Stop this, okay? Throw this away. Throw it away, okay? All right, y'all. I'm out. Throw them pizza for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. We're gonna get it done together, right? All right. Yes. You guys are the MVPs, man. Clap it up for yourselves, man. Clap it up. You guys are the best. All right, guys. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.